In this video, I will show you how to use Morgen Calendar. So Morgen is a great planner to really organize your day-to-day tasks. If you want to get started with it, I'll leave a link to this page down in the description. And from here, simply click on Get Started right there. Now here you can continue with Google or you can enter your details manually right there. So then they will have a few questions. So what do you want to achieve with Morgen? I will say automate my daily planning and click continue. Then here you can select all the tools that you use to be more productive. For example, if you and your business use Slack, then you can select that right here. If you use Google Meet or Google Calendar, then you can also select those from right here. Now if you use none of these tools, you can simply click on continue. So then you can go and download the Morgen app. So I'm using a MacBook, so therefore I will get the Apple chip right here. Although if you have the Intel chip, you need to get the Intel chip. But for me, the Apple chip is the one I need. So just click on the download and then it will start downloading. So then once the download has finished, just go and click on it. And then it will open this. From here, just drag it into your applications. Then if you're using Mac, just open your Launchpad and here you will see the Morgen app. And from there you can go and open it up. So now it will say it is an app download from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Simply click on open. So then you will see this. Now from here you can go and sign into your account. So you can sign in with email or Google. I'll go with Google. So then you can go and connect to your calendars. So I will connect my Google Calendar and then here you can again sign in with Google. So you want to go and connect your work calendar. Now this right here is not a work calendar, so I'll just click continue without a work calendar. Then next you can connect your tasks. So if you use any of these tools, then you can connect those right here. I'll just continue with Morgen tasks. Then you can connect virtual conferencing, so Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams or Webex. So just click on whichever one you use. I'll just continue without it. And then here choose your time zone, the first day of the week, and the regional format. So then click continue and then click on launch my planner. Now we can make it full screen and now we can actually start using the Morgen calendar. Now first I want to show you the difference between their free plans and their paid plans. So if you click on your account in the bottom left and here click on upgrade, you will then be able to actually upgrade to their pro plan either with yearly or with monthly billing. However, here you can actually see what is included in the Pro plan compared to the basic free plan. So you have desktop apps and read-only mobile apps in the basic plan. You get one calendar integration, unlimited tasks, unlimited invites, and the Morgen team availability. Now here you will get access to the mobile app on iOS and Android, unlimited calendars, task integrations and time blocking, a booking page and scheduling links, the Morgen Assist automations, and team availability check. Now if you do want to get their pro plan, which is great if you're using it for work, then I do have a code for you. For example, if you want to pay yearly, then here you can click proceed to payment. Now here if you click add discount, you can enter the following code, how to 10, and then click apply. And then you will see with my code, you will get 10% off. So it was 89 euros. Now it's minus 8 euros and 93 cents. So if you do want to get a discount, just go and enter this code right here. And if you sign up through the link down in the description, then it should be added automatically. But if not, then just go and enter the code how to10 at checkout. But for now, let's just continue right here. Now you will get access to the premium features when you first create your account, but you will lose access to that after 1 week or 2 weeks. But for now, I'll just show you how this works. So once you first start using Morgen, you have 3 steps here. You can connect your favorite tools and calendars, schedule a task by dragging it into your calendar, and then see what happens when you tick that task. So then here, you can see overdue tasks, due today, due tomorrow, due soon. So in order to set up a task, just go to the calendar here, and then you can just right click anywhere. For example, today, Tuesday the 17th, at 1 p.m. I can right click and create new event. And then here I can create a task that I would like to do right here at 1 p.m. For example, record video. Now you can either make it an event or a task. So a task is really something that you can cross off. And you can make it an all-day task, or you can just choose how long it takes right here. So for example, if this one takes 1.5 hours, then I can enter that right here. Now in terms of priority, let's say this is high priority and the estimate time is 1 hour 30 minutes. Then this one doesn't really have a due date. And now you can get a notification 30 minutes before the task starts. So then once I click save, you will now see that from 1 p.m. till 2:30, I have the task record video. And that's really how that works. Now you can add more tasks. But one important feature is to set up recurring tasks that you do every single day. So in order to set it up as a recurring task, just click on the task, and then here where it says repeat, you want to go and click on it, and then repeats, let's say daily. And then once I set it to repeat daily, I can then click save. And now you will see every single day that this is a recurring task. So for example, if you go to the gym every morning at 7 a.m., then you can add that every single day into your calendar, and you can just cross it off every single day. So now here in the left, you have open invites. So you can basically share your availability with someone by sending them a link to your calendar. And basically to do that, just go to the open invites, then click plus in the top right. And now here you can add a meeting title. You can add any notes, you can choose how long it takes, and then the person that you're sending it to can basically book it in on your calendar for a time slot that is also available to them. Now, if you click here on the booking page, you can also create a booking page. So you already have a link right here. Now, if I open this link up, you will see what it looks like right here for me right now. So book a meeting with me. Welcome to my personal booking page. You can book a meeting with me in a few seconds. Now, right now, there is no booking option available. So you will need to add those. So to do that, click plus in the top right. So now here you can set the availability. So you can just add blocks wherever you want. And you can also make them very long if you want. So just wherever you are available for meetings, you can just add that right there. And then you can create a booking page where people can book in a meeting on any of these times. Now, if you go to Morgen Assist, you will see right here, you can also set up automated workflows. So if you click activate right here, you have some workflow templates. So team meeting optimizer. Do you and your team need more focused work time between meetings? Then you can set that one up. You can do a calendar propagation. So are your personal and work calendars always out of sync? Automated travel time. So what if your travel time was calculated and scheduled for you? And you have buffer time. So what if you took a few moments or more between back-to-back meetings? Now there's a bunch of them coming soon, and you can upvote any of them that you want. For example, an AI scheduling assistant is coming soon, dynamic time blocking, an AI project assistant, and more. Now, if you want to invite your team members, you can do it from within the app by clicking right here on team. And then once you click exit, then it will take you right here. Now from here, you can invite your team members by entering their email address and then click invite your team. And then you can go and invite them to your Morgen calendar. And then they can also start using it. And that's great for actually syncing up your calendars. Now, if you want to quickly create an open invite, you can just click on O on your keyboard. And then it will create an open invite right here. Then here you can also add teammates as co-hosts if it's not just you that will be in this meeting, but also your team members. Now in the top right, if you click fetch updates from all calendars, then all your connected calendars will actually get updated and put into this calendar right here. So for example, if you have connected your personal and work calendar and something is added to any of them, then it will also show up right here. Now, if you want to quickly move over to a specific day, then what you can do is click on the calendar icon in the bottom left. And for example, I can go to the 31st of October right here. And then you can see that right here. So this is the 31st. Now, what I can simply do is, for example, if at 10 a.m. I want to book something in right here, then I can just create a slot. Now, I can also make it longer. So I'll just delete this one. So just do it however long you want. And for example, if this is from 10 to 10:45, then I can create a meeting right there or whatever it is. It could also be something personal. They can add notes, you can give it a name, etc. So Morgen is a great calendar tool, and I recommend just trying it out, connecting all of the integrations that you use, because then you will have a lot more personalization options and it will be even better for you. So whether you want to use it for your personal use or with your team, for your work, it is something that I definitely recommend trying out. And again, if you want to get started with their free plan, then I'll leave a link down in the description. And if you want to upgrade to the pro plan, simply enter code HOWTO10 right here for a 10% discount. If this Morgen calendar tutorial was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.